hindi ko na ayaw na banggitin yun eh. Dahil nalulungkot ako.
Mass administration.
I really don't want to go back to that. But anyway, since nandiyan na rin lang, okay, if you, di ba, yung unang initial audit ng BIR, we got fined about 2 million, no? Kasama yun, yung mga hindi natin na-registro, no? As we speak, we have a second audit going on. In fact, kaya tayo nandito dahil ginagamit nila yung training room. So there's an second audit going on, no? Malakas ka pa magdasal. Malakas ako magdasal. Actually, pinagdadasal ko yan. Seriously. Ay, pinagdadasal ko yan na alam ko lang may makikita na naman doon. No? Pero sana pinagdadasal ko yan na konti lang. At yung mga initial reports sa akin na nakikita ng BIR, kailangan na dasal. And hopefully walang criminal liability.
Okay.